a blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise means a good thing that seemed bad at first. A blessing in disguise معنا دا دی چې دې کې به مو خیر وي. یعنی موږ یو کار وکړو خو ابتدا کې دا کار داسې ښکاري چې زموږ په تاوان یا نقص وي، ولې وروسته بیا نتیجه یې زموږ په ګټه وسي. داسې یو حالت ته، داسې یو چیز ته موږ ویلی شو a blessing in disguise. For example, failing in the NET exam was a blessing in disguise for me. The NET په امتحان کې ناکامیدل ما لپاره یو خیر کار و. Maybe you've earned something else. Moving on to the second idioms of the day, and that is go back to the driving board. Go back to the driving board means start over. لسره یا پیله شروع کول. That is very common, one of the common idiom that we have, go back to the driving board. You have again failed to hack the website. Go back to the driving board and now. وای تاسو بیا ناکام شولئ چې دغه ویب سایټ هیک کړئ، واپس لسره پیل کړئ او دا ویب سایټ تاسو باید هیک کړئ. So it's very common, like, you know, when you do something and you finish somehow it, but the result is not what you've expected, so you just go back to the driving board and you start it over. So to talk that situation by idiom, you can use this one. Next, very common again, miss the boat. Miss the boat means it's too late. Chance ya fursat dila sawar kawal. Yadi na waqt kidal de it's adwan. Link your Adhara card with your cooker before you miss the boat. With the Adhara card of the kam cooker chi de da kam carduna be ghalib guman ya kam dash de that once the miska we makila de china waqt shi. Oh, let me make an example and you can understand what the example even better. Like, you know, tomorrow you gotta present your topic in the ceremony and try not to miss the boat. It is very important and your future may start just from tomorrow on. Sabada yo program de tasi bayat yo maqala presentation workai. Au bayal rachi don't miss the boat manasa chance dala sama or kava fursat dala sama or kava. Next we have cost an arm in a leg. To cost an arm in a leg means when something is very expensive. Dir qimata ya grana. Kala چې تاسو یو چیز اخلي ولې قیمت ډیر زیات وي نو تاسو چې کله خبرې کوي د ایکسپنسیو پر ځای تاسو idioms کاروي شي cost an arm in a leg. MacBook costs an arm in a leg and even a kidney. I still love it. MacBook یو ډول لپټاپ دی وای دا ډیر زیات قیمت دی او ان کچیت وای kidney یا ګردیم زه خرڅ کوم خو زه غواړم زه خوښم دا واخلم. What cost you an arm in a leg? You know, what is something that you've bought and it really costed you an arm in a leg? Can you tell us about that? Okay, the next phrasal verb we have is hit the sack. To hit the sack means you know, to go to sleep with a kidal. Hit the sack means with a kidal. Really simple. You're using Facebook for too long. Hit the sack now or else I'll put you in the sack. What do you Facebook somali gay with the shay can zabadi pazura with kam. When does your mom ask you to hit the sack? Can you tell us about it? Okay, when pigs fly. When pigs fly means something that will never ever happen. Like there's 0% of chance of happening something. His kalana and a bilkul na. I will surely buy a Bugatti Veyron when the pigs fly. That don't matter. There is a wakhlam. Yani not possible. It's imkan. There's a khwahish the dream day. What do you want to do when the pigs fly? And this is sadichi his imkan nalli khuta se khwade. When the pigs fly means his kalana. Okay, next, a piece of cake. A piece of cake means something very easy to do. If such a deed is buying a Mercedes car is a piece of cake for me, though I have never bought it. With the Mercedes motor like a misal zari maldarium, zari paisilarum, and it's not a big deal for me. What is a piece of cake for you? Tasle para se dasashtachi dir arzana usi. Ya dir asana usi. And next we have hurt in mouth. Hurt in mouth means feeling nervous or scared. Yani the preshani ya hum the narami ihsas kawal dita balki hurt in mouth. Dear preshana warkhata aw tarhidale. My hurt was in my mouth while watching Stree movie. It really happened. Zma yani zari naramum preshanum kala chi da film ma kata. What makes you feel the hurt in your mouth? Watching Afghanistan's match against Pakistan and when it's really get, you know, exciting, like, you know, maybe like very fighting match. So that in that time my hurt is in mouth. Okay. Next we have once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. Yawnim waqt kala kala. Once in a blue moon. I visit the barber once in a blue moon. Z night yawnim waqt la samane kala kala. Okay, what do you do once in a blue moon? Tasi kala kala sakavai. Next we have go pear-shaped. Go pear-shaped means go wrong. Gadwadi kidal kharabi dal yusada nasib. Bisura kidal the go pear-shaped will kigi. Everything went pear-shaped yesterday. Parun har se gadwad shu. Yani parun mangu kora parun roz mera ban kharab shu. We can say my day was just went go went pear-shaped. Tell about your recent pear-shaped event. داسې راته وایي چې په نږدې وختو کې څه داسې شوي دي چې تاسو باندې ګډوډ شوي. And with that, we are at the end of our today's idiom session. I hope, guys, you've watched the video and you've picked up these 10 phrasal verbs that I've just taught you. Try to write down them on a piece of paper and make as many examples as you can, and try to use these phrasal verbs regularly in your spoken English. Until I join you in the next video session of idioms, I want to say goodbye and see you all.